Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vlog. Today we are starting to create a series of video on the topic interesting things about Microsoft Excel. So our today's topic is use of dollar in Microsoft Excel. We can use MS Office in two ways. One is by installing Microsoft Excel 2013 package. So the format, the version I'm using is 2013. So inside the Microsoft Office 2013, you can find the Excel application. Just click on it, and the Microsoft Excel windows open. So if you want to further explore or to know more about it, you can just take a tour. You can just press on take a tour, which will give you a tutorial about various features of Microsoft Excel. And these are some of the templates, readily available templates, you can make use of it. So here I'm not going to choose any of this. I'm just going to use a blank workbook. So this is a blank workbook, so in which you can enter data in any format you wish, and you can also segregate, align and use data in different formats. So this is the one of the way in which you can make use of Microsoft Excel. The second way is through Google. So just click on your Microsoft web browser and go to the application Google applications, where you can find the sheets option. So this is called as a Google sheet. Now click on the Google sheet, and here are some of the options or some of the readily available Microsoft Excel sheets. So here also I'm going to choose a blank workbook. So you can create a blank workbook by just clicking on this plus button, and here comes the empty blank workbook. So now we are going to learn about some of the uses of dollar symbol in Microsoft Excel. So for that, initially I have created a table consisting of columns A, B, C, D. So these columns have some specific values from A4 to A9. So to understand the features of a dollar symbol, first I would like to explain you the normal addition. Okay, so let me delete the existing values. So to perform an addition operation, the formula which is required is equal to, and you just have to enter the column you are wishing to use as a first operand, and the value in the and what which value you are going to use in that particular column. Here I'm going to use A4 plus B4, so which will give me the result of the calculation 3 plus 4, which is 7. So now initially I have got the result of the result of addition of 3 plus 4, and now you need not, and now this is an interesting thing you need to know about Microsoft Excel, is that you need not have to perform each and every calculation using a formula. All you have to do is that just click on this A plus B fourth column, fourth row, where you can just select and drop it down, and the rest the Microsoft Excel will do it for you. Yes, it has now calculated the values for rest of the rows of A and B. So now 6 plus 7 is 13, and rest of the calculations and the result of those calculations is can be found in A plus B. So fine, we have just learned about how to perform a simple addition operation in the Microsoft Excel. So now we can further move to the main concept of using a dollar symbol. So before 100 I have just performed the addition operation. So now here I am going to perform the addition operation with the dollar symbol, but what difference is going to make? So let's find out. So here I'm just going to enter the formula equal to A4 plus dollar. Now I'm going to enclose the variable B between two dollar symbols, dollar, and I'm going to enter the particular cell which is going to point. So now uh, click on enter. So now initially it's not going to make any big difference because we are just adding two cells together. So now as I mentioned before, you just have to scroll down the values down. Is it the same value what we are getting when we are performed the basic addition operation? So no, here the values are changed. So let's find out what difference it had made. So before going to that, I just need to explain you some concept. So the use of dollar symbol here, the purpose of using the dollar symbol is when you enclose a particular variable in between two dollar symbols, it refers only to that particular location in the table. It will always locate only to that particular cell, that is B4. So that is what here is the major change it had happened. So here by clicking on the tab, we can find we can find out that the value of A, the column A is using the cell A5, but here the change, here the B cell, it didn't change. So why is that? Because we are using the dollar symbol pre and post of B. So that is the change. So now here the operation is performed between A5 and B4. Okay guys. So what happens? 6 plus 4, the total value will be 10. Again similarly here, it points to A6 and it is and here it points to B4. So what happened here is again 9 plus 4, the total value is 13. So this is the use of a dollar symbol in Microsoft Excel. This is by using two dollar symbols enclosing a variable in between that. The next thing we are going to see is that how about using a single dollar symbol while performing an addition operation. Now let us learn about using a single dollar symbol. Again, the single dollar symbol will only point to the particular cell B4, but what is the difference of using a particular a single dollar symbol rather than using a double dollar symbol? So let's just apply the formula equal to A4 plus B dollar 4. So which will again give me the value of A4 added with B4. But what if I drag the cell towards my right? So wow, again it is giving me some value. So now let's check what is the formula it has used it there. See, now it has used the formula B4 added with C4, and the dollar symbol is added between C. So this is the change it has happened. So so now we are learning that when we are using a single dollar symbol, it just moves the column from A to B and B to C. So similarly here it is not going to change. Here the value, the sum is going to be again 10, because it is going to add 6 with 4, which we have seen earlier. But if you want to calculate the similar equations with B and C, all you have to do is that just drag this to the right, which will give you the sum of B5 added with C4. So that is the purpose of using a single dollar symbol. So the single dollar symbol will not only help you to add the values vertically, it will also give the result of the values when you drag the cell towards horizontally. So what happens if you drag the cell horizontally means it automatically converts the variable from A4 to B4, and it is going to make B4 as a permanent one. No, C4, sorry. And again here what it is going to do is that here it is going to make C4 plus B dollar 4. So what it has just done is that it has shifted from A to B and from B to C, again from B to C, so to C to D. So let's check whether we have done it correct by checking the formula. So see, it is using D4 plus C4 and C4 plus D4. So in one shot, you can just calculate all the values together by just dragging it towards the right and just dropping it towards the left down. So these are the interesting features of using a dollar in Microsoft Excel. So once again, recalling all the concepts we saw today is that if you're going to make use of a dollar symbol, it is going to retain the particular location of the variable, the particular cell that you have used. The values is not going to change in case if you're using a dollar symbol. So that is the main concept we are getting to know about a dollar symbol in Microsoft Excel. So we are coming to an end of this video. So please do subscribe to our channel and share and help us to grow. Thank you.